Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a gorgeous 72 Mustang convertible, two-owner car, 351 Cleveland. Gorgeous car, guys. We're doing this video for you today so you can make a great choice on your muscle car purchase. And also, we carry 100% feedback on eBay. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and also look at our video testimonials. Buying a car online, I know, may seem scary, but it's very, very easy. Easier than going to your local dealership. Come on up, we're going to take you for a ride, show you around this beautiful Mustang. Under the hood, we have a wonderful 351 Cleveland motor, power steering, power front disc brakes, two-owner car, guys. You're not going to find one cleaner. So if you've been looking, stop looking. Here's the one. Call me now, 248-974-9513. I'm going to fire up the motor so you can hear how wonderful it runs. Nice running 351 Cleveland. It has AC. We're actually changing the compressor, but it does work. We're going to drop the hood, take you a walk around the car, and show you this beautiful unit. Even the door buzzer works. Do you hear it? Check out this beautiful, awesome paint over solid Tennessee body in Alabama. This car was in storage since 1991, except to be displayed at the Ford Glass House for the 100th anniversary. I have all its papers back to the build sheet. Rust-free car. It is the original big block 351 Cleveland 2-barrel. Automatic trans, power steering, power brakes, AC, power top, Magnum 500 wheels. The list goes on and on. This is a special order gold paint car that was ordered in August 1 in 1972. Let's open up the trunk and check out this beautiful trunk pan. There's a couple of chips here on the rear spoiler. Beautiful, beautiful trunk pan here. Beautiful lips, as you can see in my photographs too. All solid metal. Everything opens and shuts awesome. All the margins on everything are perfect. Look at that. You got one little scrape down there, about 1 inch long. Just a dynamite vehicle, guys. We're gonna walk you around, show you the beautiful interior, and take you for a ride. Out this door, opens and shuts perfect. Beautiful interior, no mishaps in here. AC car, everything works in here, guys. Call Tom today. This beautiful car will not last at 248-974 9513.
Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this. Even the seatbelt buzzer works. Look at that. Unbelievable little car, guys. Let's go for a ride. This is one magnificent 72 Mustang. The only thing that is not original is the striping and the exhaust. We put new dual stainless exhaust on it. It sounds awesome. Just a fun driving car, guys. If you want a turnkey convertible, you got to jump on this one right away because these do not last. Everybody loves the classic Mustang, and especially with all the goodies on this car and how well it drives. And this thing just drives perfectly straight, you know, no quirks or anything in the vehicle. Brakes awesome, doesn't pull with the disc brakes, power steering, the list goes on and on. Don't forget to go to Vanguard Motor Sales and become social subscribers at YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And those icons can be found on our homepage up in the right-hand corner. And also, don't forget to go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. Once again, my name is Tom Fotios, and we're always here to serve you. Just call me today at 248-974-9513, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway.